Hello, and welcome back to News Nexus, your trusted source for insightful news and updates. I'm Emma, and today we're diving into a topic that's generating a lot of buzz in the stock market, the IREDA share price. If you're looking to make smart investment moves in the growing renewable energy sector, this video is for you. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. So, what exactly is IREDA? The Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, or IREDA, is a public sector company under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Their mission? To accelerate the adoption of clean, green energy across India. And as the world moves towards a more sustainable future, the renewable energy market is booming. This is where IREDA comes in, making it a potential goldmine for investors. So how can you make money from IREDA's stock price? Well, there are a few key ways to approach it. Let's break it down. First, we have capital appreciation. This is when the value of IREDA's shares increases over time. By holding onto your shares and selling them at a higher price, you can make a profit. And with IREDA expanding its reach in the renewable energy sector, there's a good chance we'll see steady growth in their stock price. Next, there's the opportunity for passive income through dividends. If IREDA is performing well financially, they may reward shareholders with the dividend payout. This could be an excellent way to earn money while you hold on to your investment. And for those of you who are into active trading, short-term gains through buying and selling could be your strategy. Keep an eye on news about IREDA's new projects, government incentives, and renewable energy developments, because these events can cause stock price fluctuations, giving you the chance to trade for a quick profit. Now, let's talk about the future. As India pushes towards its ambitious renewable energy goals, IREDA is at the forefront of the clean energy revolution. From solar and wind to hydroelectric projects, IREDA is involved in numerous initiatives that could fuel the company's growth and, in turn, the growth of your investment. And the best part? Government policies supporting renewable energy are only getting stronger, with incentives and subsidies flowing into the sector. This means IREDA is not only helping the planet, but it could also be helping your portfolio grow. Getting started with IREDA shares is simple, but as with any investment, there are a few things you need to consider. First, make sure to do your research. Follow IREDA's stock trends, check their financials, and stay updated on any major news that could impact their share price. Platforms like the Bombay Stock Exchange and NSE are where you'll find IREDA listed. You can buy shares through your brokerage account just like any other stock. And remember, patience is key. While short-term trading can offer quick profits, holding on to your shares for the long haul might be the best way to ride the wave of India's green energy transformation. To wrap it up, investing in IREDA shares offers a unique opportunity to profit from the booming renewable energy sector. Whether you're looking for capital appreciation, steady dividends, or short-term trading gains, IREDA could be the right pick for your portfolio. As the world shifts towards a more sustainable future, this could be the perfect time to jump on board. So what do you think? Are you ready to invest in IREDA and ride the green energy wave? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with your friends. Until next time, this is Emma from News Nexus, bringing you the latest updates to keep your financial journey on track. Stay informed, stay invested.